Alright, so we are going to the track.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Jagger's he's wearing his favorite shirt. Danger Boy.
And two
the necklace that we got for him when he was a baby. We are going to bring his electric bike and his 50. So we're gonna see which one he likes better at the track. I'm sure he's gonna like both. But yeah, come along. Alright, we got this one. And the new one. Which one do you think he's gonna like better?
It's kind of like a test.
Yeah.
Is he gonna like a gas-powered one or electric one? I have a feeling it's gonna be that one.
I don't know. I feel like he can go faster on that one. So we'll find out. Your shirt matches your gear.
That's what I told him.
Which bike are you riding first? That one? It's your first time on the dirt with it.
Laps on it. Because I want you to get used to the track before you try to ride with him. Okay?
She ain't afraid of dirt. That is for sure. Hi, thank you.
Alright, you're ready. Remember to get on the track? You're good.
Oh, Jagger's not gonna like getting past.
There it is.
Good job, bud.
Want to take a break or want to keep going?
I'll go ride again now.
Yeah, you're doing so good. Go back. Keep trying to go jump further. You want to race? Jump!
Alright, now he's gonna switch bikes.
Yeah, remember this one you can't, I don't know if you can touch the ground yet, so. Alright. Whenever you're ready to stop, you just slow down. Use your brake. Good. Remember, it might be faster.
That's the life right there. Alright, he's doing the switch back.
Do the test.
I think he likes this right now because he can touch with his feet.
Yeah.
Christian has to stop him with the CRF. What are you doing to it?
Making it faster. I need him to get over the jumps.
How do you do it? Just open that thing up?
Yeah, look at that. There's 3 knobs in there. This was all at the mid. It was about halfway, so I turned both of those, but speed and power up. So now I think he can make this jump. Oh yeah. Way faster.
It is.
He might get a little whiskey throttle, but he'll get used to it.
Woo! That was a big.
It's like almost fast.
Break time.
She's gonna be faster than her brother soon. She already knows where the throttle is.
And he ditched me. Woo! We did another bike swap. What's the verdict on the bikes?
I think we're gonna stick to bringing both bikes for a while. Eventually, he's gonna outgrow the OSET, and he's gonna have to keep getting used to these gas-powered bikes. And, I think in the future, it's gonna be all electric probably.
He definitely liked the electric more.
Yeah, he's way more comfortable on that bike than I figured he would be. So, it's cool to see though.
Probably bring both for a while.
Huh?
Probably bring both for a while.
Yeah. It's good on both. It's just more comfortable on this so. Keep the bikes here. It's gonna be washed tomorrow.
Well, kids are sleeping in the car, so we did it. Thanks for watching our vlogs. Subscribe or don't.